Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Amber and today we are going to be learning how to play Sing by Travis. Now this has been a very special request from one of our Stellar Academy students. I really believe that Travis is a very underrated band. They are so awesome. I grew up listening to a lot of their music, so I am very excited for today's tutorial. So let's get started. So we've got some pretty easy chords for the song, but before we get into that, just make sure that you've tuned your guitar and that you have gone and whacked a capper onto the second fret of your guitar. So the chords we're going to need are an E minor. From here, we're going to be going to an A minor. Next up, we need an A minor 7 chord, and for this, we're just going to be lifting our ring finger up off of that A minor chord. We're also going to need a G major chord, as well as a D major. So now that we've got those chords under our fingers, let's take a look at the verse of the song. So we've got that chord sequence up on the screen for you. We have an E minor, going to our A minor 7, and back to E minor. And if we add some singing, baby, you've been going to the A minor, and A minor 7, and back to the E minor, and that gets repeated again. E minor, why do you have to get so low? A minor 7, you've been waiting in the sun too long. So if we just think of those chords, they're not difficult. They're actually really easy. The challenge is going to come in with the strumming pattern. So this song has been written in a 16th note strumming pattern. So we count that 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. So it's just ups and downs with our strumming. Down, up, 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 down, up. Okay? So if I just played on muted strings, baby, you've been going so crazy lately. Nothing seems to be going right. Okay, so this is kind of like the feel and the drive of the song is using that 16th note rhythm. However, we're not going to be strumming on every single one of those beats because then it's going to sound really loud and noisy. We don't want it to sound like this. Baby, you've been going so crazy lately. Nothing seems to be going right. Okay, that just sounds like a very inexperienced guitarist just kind of trying to, push this thing all together. So we need to really hone in on accenting specific strums, okay? Specific down and up strums. So the rhythm that we're going to be playing, or the strumming pattern we're going to be playing, is going to be down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, okay? So there are going to be certain downs and ups that we're not going to be engaging with our pick on the strings, but our arm is still going to be moving back and forth, okay? As if we were doing, okay, but we're just not hitting the strings on certain beats. So watch again, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And you can see my arm was still swinging back and forth, but there were certain beats that I was engaging with the strings. Okay, so it might help to clap the rhythm first. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. 1 E and 2 and a, E and 4 E and a. 1 E and 2 and a, E and 4 E and a. If we just practice that on an E minor first, before we try changing to different chords, it's going to sound like this. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And the beats that you want to accent or really drive forward with an extra strong strum are going to be beats 1, 2, and 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 4 E and a 1 E and Okay, it sounds really cool once you can get it up to speed, but before you can do that, you need to make sure that you have that strumming pattern on autopilot. Okay, so the more you listen to it, the more you copy me, the more you try to internalize the counts, saying the downs and ups, whatever is going to work for you. You can try all of those different options and something's going to stick. Okay, it might be clapping it out loud, it might be saying the words, it might be just watching me playing this over and over again, and then eventually it kind of just, it's like a puzzle piece that just fits in. But it's going to take some time for some people. Some others might just pick it up really quickly, and that doesn't really matter as long as you're trying. Okay, so if we try that with the chords from the verse, it's going to sound like this. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. We change to A minor. A minor 7, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Back to the E minor. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. So without any talking, just getting through those chords, it's going to sound like this. And just one last thing to add here with that strumming pattern is the way I'm doing is not the right way or the wrong way. It's just my interpretation. And you can really just become creative with this pattern. You can, take away some strums, you can add in some strums. Specifically with like a build-up section, you can do all the 16th note beats. Now, 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 if you sing. So you see how in that last line of the verse, I kind of just played every single down and up strum. I went down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, building up to the next part of the song. So on that note, let's talk about the chorus. So the chorus, we have a G to D, A minor, we have A minor again, and then back to the G. Okay, so the good news is that the strumming pattern is not changing in this section. However, the first two chords, we have a G and a D between brackets. So this means we're going to be splitting the pattern in half. So the G will get the first half of the strumming pattern, the D is going to get the second half of the strumming pattern. So where is this split going to be happening? So the G will get the first half of the pattern, which will be down, up, down, down, down. Okay. The D is going to be changing on the up strum. Up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So from the G, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Right? 1 E and 2 and So on the of beat 2, if that makes sense. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. We then have A minor for a full pattern. And we repeat the pattern again on A minor. And to the G. So that chord sequence gets repeated through twice during the chorus. So let's go ahead and try that out. Starting on the G, 2, 3, 4. A minor. A minor again. And to the G. Repeat. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. A minor. Repeat the A minor. And to the G. So again, as you can tell, the chords are really simple. It's that strumming pattern that might be giving you grief. Okay. Now, if it is, there's no shame in, just stripping it back down to the basics and just doing, 4 down strums on each chord. Lately, you've been going so crazy. Once you've got this, you can try to add the 16th note. And once you can do this, you can try to remove strums and add some strums and just kind of create your own feel for the song. So I really hope that you enjoyed learning this awesome song by Travis. I'm hoping to do more Travis songs coming in the future. So if you've got any songs by them that you are, wanting to learn, then just drop them in the comment section below and I will hopefully get to them soon. But what we're going to be doing next is a full playthrough of the song. So have your guitar ready, have your kappa on the 2nd fret, and I'll see you there. So here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to get so low. You've been waiting in the sun too long. If you sing, 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 for the love you bring won't mean a thing unless you sing. Gonna be stopped now, 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 if you sing, 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 for the love you bring won't mean a thing unless you sing, 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 sing. Thank you so much for joining me today in this lesson. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, you can go ahead and just give this lesson a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. And if you enjoyed this lesson, then I know you're going to love the lesson that is being suggested on the screen. So go check that one out, and I will see you in another Stellar Guitarist tutorial very soon. Have a great day. Bye.